Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I have a request on how to make English toffee using saltine crackers. Very simple and easy to do, yet a perfect edible Christmas gift for anyone on your list. The ingredients you're going to need is 1 sleeve of salted saltine crackers. These are about 35 little square crackers, 1 cup of lightly packed brown sugar, 2 cups of chocolate chips. I'm using Bailey's chocolate chips, but you may substitute with milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate. I'm going to leave that up to you. 1 cup of unsalted cubed butter because I'm using a salted saltine cracker. Or if you're using unsalted crackers, use 1 cup of cubed salted butter and 1 cup of toasted pecans, and I'm going to show you how to toast them here in a second, or substitute with walnuts or pistachios, so I'm going to leave that up to you. First, we're going to toast our pecans on a large cookie sheet. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So off to the oven on the middle rack for the next 5 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Once the pecans have toasted, ooh, and the aroma of them smells so yummy, we're going to let them cool down completely. Meanwhile, in a 15 by 10 inch baking dish, 1 inch high here on the side, line it with tin foil. And just push it down in there, let it go from corner to corner. With a butter wrapper from our cube butter, we're going to lightly give it a buttering. You don't want a whole lot of butter on it, just enough to where it won't stick. And these butter wrappers come in fabulous. Begin to add a single layer of your saltine crackers. I'm adding the last of my saltine crackers. And there we go. We've got an even single layer. Over here on the stovetop, in a 2-quart saucepan over medium heat, add all your cubed butter along with your 1 cup of brown sugar. Continue stirring this till the butter has melted and the brown sugar comes to a boil with our butter. When your mixture comes to a boil, use your timer for 4 minutes. And continue to stir. After 4 minutes, immediately pour your brown sugar and butter mixture over your saltine crackers. Spread it out. This is the nature of making the candy. Make sure you get all your saltines covered. Work quickly so it won't set up on you. And a spatula works best. Be sure to invest in a spatula. I love the spatulas. This way you've got an even layer over your saltine crackers. Next, we're going to immediately add the chocolate chips into a single layer. And the residual heat from your brown sugar and butter will begin to melt your chocolate chips. Just let your chocolate chips sit on here for a few minutes. Once your chocolate chips have softened, take your spatula and just rub your chocolate chips down into your brown sugar butter mixture. This looks absolutely fantastic. Now we're going to add those roasted pecans however you want. And even if you don't want to add nuts to this, you can leave them off. I'll leave that up to you. Give your pan a little shaking to get those pecans all settled there in the chocolate. And we're going to let this cool down for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is off to the refrigerator, uncovered for 1 hour. Back with that English toffee made with saltine crackers. See, the great thing about this foil is you can just pick it up, remove it. See how it just crunches in half. And just make it into whatever bite-sized pieces you're looking for. All right, got to give it a try. Here we go. Wow. So addictive. Perfect for an edible Christmas gift. Perfect for your holiday parties. Perfect for any day of the year as far as that goes. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. That Bailey's chocolate chip are fantastic. See that? Absolutely love it. Give me thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. By the way, store in an airtight container. Thanks a million for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll catch you lovely people later.